Hi everyone! Today we're going to make dry rub buffalo chicken wings. You need half a tablespoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of soft brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 tablespoon of oil. We will also need some cumin, some thyme, some cayenne pepper, some onion powder, and some smoked paprika. Now we will need to dry the chicken to make sure that we have a crispy skin. Next, you can put the oil in and toss it together. Then leave it to the side to relax. Next, we're going to put the flour and corn flour together. And mix it. Then add in all of the dry ingredients. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of cayenne, one tablespoon of smoked paprika, and half tablespoon of onion powder. We're also going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin and some thyme. Line the baking tray with some baking paper. Then toss the chicken wings with the dry rub. Place them on the baking tray. Should look like before you put it in the oven. Now that the chicken is in the pan, it's time to put it in the oven for 45 minutes. Now it's time to pull it out of the oven. Now that it's been 30 minutes, we have to flip the chicken to the other side to let it get crispy. If you have any extra dry rub, it's time to sprinkle it on top so that the other side gets crispy as well. Now we have to pop it back in the oven for 15 more minutes. Now that the chicken wings are done, it's time to make the rosemary potato wedges, which go amazingly well with these spicy chicken wings. Now to make these delicious rosemary potato wedges, you will need a few potatoes, some black pepper, some salt, and a few tablespoons of olive oil, as well as some fresh rosemary sprigs. First, you have to cut the potatoes into wedges. to take off the rosemary from the stem. Toss it together before putting it in the oven. Don't forget to preheat the oven to 190 degrees before lining a baking tray with foil and placing the potato wedges on. Now it's time to place this in the oven. Bake it for 35 minutes and until golden brown and crispy. Now that the potatoes are done, it's time to take them out of the oven and neatly serve them in the ramekins to serve with the spicy buffalo wings. So here are the spicy, crispy buffalo chicken wings with the rosemary potato wedges. Hope you enjoyed. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and comment below if you've tried it. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bar if you want to see more from us.